Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we'll understand how to configure hierarchy in Office 24 by 7. Setting up a hierarchy allows you to define reporting relationships, control data visibility, and manage how records are assigned based on your organizational structure. This setup plays a critical role in ensuring that users see the right data and that records are routed correctly across teams. Let's take a look at how this works. In Office 24 by 7, admins can define the reporting structure in two different ways: through user-level assignment and through the hierarchy view by visually arranging users. Let's start with the first method, which is user-level hierarchy setup. To do this, open any user profile. I'll take Mike Xavier as an example. Click on the Actions button and select Edit User. Here you'll see the option called Reporting To. This field loads all the users in the system, allowing you to select the manager or supervisor this user reports to. For example, I'm selecting Stefan Wolowitz here. This means that Mike Xavier is now reporting to Stefan Wolowitz. In other words, Stefan becomes Mike's supervisor, and the hierarchy is established at the user level. Now let's look at the second way to configure hierarchy. Navigate to Site Setup and click on Hierarchy. In this view, all users are displayed in a linear visual format. This allows you to arrange users according to your organization's reporting structure, such as CXOs, managers, team leads, and executives. You can simply drag and arrange users to reflect how they report within the organization. As you can see, Mike Xavier is already placed under Stefan Wolowitz because we already defined that relationship at the user level. Now I'll place the remaining users under their respective reporting managers. Prasanth will be placed at the top since he is the CXO. Stefan and John, who are the managers in the organization, will directly report to Prasanth. When dragging and dropping users, you'll notice green dotted lines indicating valid placement. If you want to remove a user from a particular level, you can drag and drop them outside the hierarchy area, where you'll see a light green color box. Here, you can see that we've created a multi-level hierarchy. For example, Mike reports to Stefan, and Stefan reports to Prasanth. This way, you can design and adjust the hierarchy exactly according to your organizational structure. The numbers in parentheses indicate the number of users reporting to that user. At each user level, you'll see details such as the user's name, personal email ID, mobile number, time zone, user role, reporting to, organization name, job title, department, and status. These details can be accessed by clicking the More Details button, which displays the complete user profile. If you want these additional details to be visible directly in the hierarchy view, you can simply select them using the available checkboxes. For example, if I select personal email ID and status, you'll immediately see this information displayed against the names of all users. Data visibility in Office 24 by 7 is directly linked to how the hierarchy is configured. A user can view records that belong to them, as well as records owned by users who report to them and teams below them in the hierarchy. However, they will not be able to view records that belong to their reporting managers or teams that are outside their hierarchy. This hierarchy-based visibility applies consistently across all objects, including both standard objects and dynamic objects, ensuring secure and controlled data access throughout the system. Hierarchy setup also plays an important role in record assignment. When assigning records, admins can define assignment behavior at the object level. For example, let me open the Lead Management object. Here, I've created and configured an assignee field called Lead Assigned To. Within this field, you'll see visibility options that allow you to control how assignments work. You can choose visibility based on hierarchy, role, or other custom methods. When hierarchy-based visibility is selected, the records created in this object will only be visible to the assigned user and the users they report to. This ensures that leads, tasks, and other records are managed accurately by the right team members. Once the hierarchy is configured, all changes take effect immediately. Any updates made here are reflected across the system in real time without the need for additional setup. Using the hierarchy setup in Office 24/7 helps you define clear reporting structures, securely control data visibility, improve team accountability, enable accurate record assignment, and maintain consistency across all objects. That's how you can configure the hierarchy setup in Office 24/7. Thanks for watching.